What's up, everybody? This is DJ Dr. Watts at the Sarah and Boaz Producer Academy, where our goal is to teach you how to become a more proficient producer by learning how to claim your intellectual property rights. We want to show you how to create commercial quality music so that you can get to the money. And once you want to get to the money, you got to first get to the music. So let's get started. Now, today I'm working on a dubstep track that I'm doing for an NFL program, and I want to share with y'all some of the ways that I made this. Is called I thought about, I always create music out of social sentiment. So I was thinking about the rug pull that came to me, the rug pull with the Squid Games and the token and everything. So I wanted to make some kind of, frantic dubstep or something to do that, to, just talk about that, get people aware that, how you have to, do your due diligence before you go throwing your money into something. But I did this because it just fit right in. So I'm going to show you how I started this off. Right. Now, first of all, I have to start out with an intro. With all dubstep starts out with an intro, but with this intro, I wanted to start with. Hold on. Okay, I wanted to start with that to get people's attention because this was a real, screwed up thing that happened. So, the music has to match the sentiment. Maybe if somebody make a movie about this one day, they'll probably put this in there. And the song that I put out was not finished. I put it out because it was, I'm always instructing people how to make a better and better music, because in the transitions there were nothing, and I still haven't made up my mind what I wanted to put in the transition. So I started out with this to build tension, and this right here, that's to add ambience to everything, and I'm thinking that I want to put more of these in there. And I think I'm like want to do something like that, and do something like that, and like that, and like that. And I'm gonna just trick around with it, but you play around with it till you get it where you want to. Now this right here, I wanted to do something. Now none of this has been EQ'd. And I'm gonna do a separate session on EQing, because I'm gonna have to EQ all of these basses. This was just basically everything running through one channel, and I just did a little EQ on the end just to dress it up to give the bottom and the top some space away from each other. But this is a work in progress, and this is what I like to show people: the work in progress, not just the finished product. We're starting with these right here. This is how it starts out. Juicy rock. Dubstep is all about asking and answering. One thing asks, the other answer. Then when that one answer, the other one go back and ask. And that's what I learned. When I learned that about dubstep, it made it a lot easier for me because it was like just a fog to me. And I was like, how do they do that? But it's just like asking and answering, asking and answering. One that constantly says the same thing, but the other was ending in something different. You just have to keep switching it up and keep switching it up and keep switching it up. Everything, and I'm going to have to put these on EQ so I can take down the in this build up right here also, so I can take the wind out of it. But I'm putting these here for impact, and I'll come back and adjust them. Let me save this. Because the build up is oh so important in dubstep. And that's where the drop, pushing it up to the drop. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, that's for Hold on, I'm watching my crypto too here, so y'all apologize here for a second. I always got my eyes on this market. What's going on? Yeah, I see you done drop. I mean, you done jump. Ooh wee. Yes, 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 yes. See, that's what I be telling people. Not only do I teach them how to make money over at the Sarah Boaz Producer Academy, I teach them how to take that money and further grow that money. So the link down in the description, you can click on that, and it'll send you right to my Patreon page. And I have a tier over there for every level. People that just want the music that I produce, and you got people that want the music plus some behind the scenes stuff. Then you want people that want the classes, they want the music, and want the behind the scenes, they want the free merch and all of that stuff. I have a tier for everybody. So go click the link down in the description at my Patreon class, and I'll be able to hook you up. So let's take a listen at this. Go. Now, I have developed a technique that I can place these when you're dealing with samples, you're even dealing with sounds from Serum. Sometimes I use Serum, I use samples, it doesn't matter. This was a film and TV thing. I had to get this out really quick. So I went to some of my royalty free samples that I get. Shout out to Splice on that. And they got the best in the world as far as what I'm concerned. And checking on that. Hold on. Yeah. And that's why I use these on this one. But I have a foolproof way to show how these always will line up, and you'll never have to worry about getting them to line up and everything to stay in syncopation. So click the link down in the description and join the Patreon class so I can take you to the next level. You can learn crypto trading, how to try to trade social signals, how to look at technical indicators, how to read those. Everything that I've learned in my years, I'm going to give to you in my Patreon class. So click the link down in the description or copy it if you so desire. But I am not a financial advisor, and the information I give you is for entertainment purposes. Only do your own due diligence. I'm just turning you on to the plays that I've used to grow wealth in my kingdom. Now, now right in here is where the part that's going to get everybody, that's going to drive them to it, the next thing. So what I usually do, I come up over to my good old splicey. Shout out to Splice. Um, hooks. Is that it? I think I have to put a vocal in there myself. You ain't got to, no hates to the rhyme. Okay, then I'm just going to probably create something to put there because I want something unique, and that's gonna what's gonna drive to the next point, to the hook. I mean, not to the hook, but after the drop. See if I could do some kind of throwback. UK house. I don't mind doing cross vocals either. You know, from one genre.
Skanker, go to get up, get down, rinse that. Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing. Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing.
See if we can use that there. Let me put that on sale. Make sure that fit.
Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing.
Now, that's cool, but that's too common. So we're going to put that one there, and then we're going to put another one there, and we're going to make that one unique, and then we're going to take this one up here. So now we got two of them. We're going to cut each one of them down some. Now let's listen.
Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing.
Now if I come over here and get real ignorant on them, and I'll come over here, and I throw that, I'm going to put a shout out to Slate. I'm going to pull out that whatchamacallit, that effects, VST3, not Murder Melodies. What's the name of their, trying to get the name of their auto-tune plugin. And it's called Metatune. I couldn't think of that name. So we're going to put that right here. Drop that Metatune on there. That way we can add some character to these vocals.
Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing. 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 Bust them sounds on a rude boy thing.
I so love making dubstep. Save as. I'm telling you, you need to join. Click and join the Academy. I'm gonna show you how to get your groove on. Click the link down in the description. I appreciate you for your time. What's up, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you may be. Shout out to Soundfire. Shout out to all these beautiful places. I'd like to say peace out to Soundfire. Thank you for all the support on the show. Love you. I'm DJ Dr. Watts. My partner's Lady Jen. We are out. Sarah and Boaz Producer Academy. Love yourself. Peace.